Education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. Knowledge of language is the doorway to wisdom. Apply the knowledge and get hands-on practice. Good day, students. Today let's see something interesting. What is that? Clipped words. What is a clipped word? Clipping is one of the ways, that is, new words are created in English. It involves the shortening of a longer words, often reducing it to one syllable. Max, which is a clipped form of mathematics. Bro from brother. We usually use them while speaking or in informal speech. The word perambulator is an unclipped word and the word pram is a clipped word. That is, shortening of a word is clipped word, as it is what we say is the unclipped word. There are 4 types of possible clipping processes depending on which part of the word undergoes structural changes. They are back clipping, forward clipping, middle clipping and complex clipping. Now let's see back clipping. Back clipping is when the back of half of a word is deleted. In this type, the beginning is retained. For example, gymnasium. In this, that is, gymnasium is expressed as gym. Here, the back of half of the word is deleted. Only the beginning is retained. Cafeteria, cafe. Here, likewise, the beginning is retained. Next, forward clipping. Forward clipping is a word formed by omitting the first part of the form which it is derived. That is, the final part is retained. Example, aeroplane, plane. Telephone, that is, the final part is retained. It is expressed as phone. Now, middle clipping. It retains the middle part of a word and then getting rid of the beginning and ending parts. Example, influenza, flu. That is, first part and the last part is omitted. The middle part is retained. So, influenza, it is expressed as flu. Refrigerator, fridge. Then, complex clipping. It is the shortening of a compound word by preserving and combining its initial parts. That is, it changes the letters. Example, microphone, mic. Here, university, varsity. Some letters are changed. So, it is expressed as complex clipping. Now, let's see some examples. Gasoline, it is expressed as gas. Photograph, photo. Fanatic, fan, it is a back clipping. Suitcase, cases. Omnibus, bus is a forward clipping. Bridegroom, groom is a forward clipping. Zoological garden is a back clipping. Hippopotamus, hippo, back clipping. Memorandum, memo, it is a back clipping. Chimpanzee, chimp is a back clipping. Signature, sign, it is expressed, that is the clipped word is sign. It is back clipping. Laboratory, lab. Demonstration, demo. Hamburger, burger. Fountain pen, pen. Helicopter, it is expressed as copter. Cellular phone, it is expressed as cell phone. Telephone is expressed as phone. Disco is expressed as disco. It is a back clipping. Advertisement, ad, back clipping. Kilogram, kilo. Examination, exam is back clipping. Okay, I think so you understood clippings. Discussion of clipping can help learners how words are formed in English and will help learners understand authentic words. Thank you students. Have a nice day.